All right, language explorers, let's look at this week's Wednesday adjective. So, fine, 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 fine. To be in good condition. I'm fine. I am fine. I am fine. How are you? Are you fine too? Something elegant. Yeah, it's fine. A fine shirt. Fine suspenders. A fine haircut. A very fine, elegant beard. How cool is that? This is a fine shirt. Fine material. Very fine material. Very nice, very elegant, very beautiful. It is made of fine material. Very elegant and rare. How cool is that? These shoes are quite fine. Very beautiful. We are feeling fine. Yeah, just okay. We're okay. How cool is that? So, I am fine. Yeah. How fine are you? She is not feeling fine. Yeah, she's not feeling fine. But he is always fine. He is always fine. To be in a good condition. He's always feeling fine. It was a fine choice. Very elegant. Good decision. Very good decision. Yeah, fine choice. I, she, you, he, it, they. They are always fine. I don't understand it. They're always fine. They're always feeling good. It's quite unique. Yeah, you have to be fine. If you can't be fine, then what can you be? Yeah, you have to be feeling more than fine all the time. How cool is that? So, I had a fine towel once. I have a fine hat that I bought. Fine hat. Very elegant. Are you planning to have a fine book written? Yes, a very beautiful book. An elegantly written book. It is a fine book and it will be nice to add it to my collection. A collection of things. Yeah. Yeah. Considering what happened last night, I'm feeling quite fine. I'm feeling quite fine. How cool is that? They are always making fine glassware. Fine glassware. Very nice, very elegant, good shape, good form, good thickness, nice sound. Quite strong, not heavy, very fine, beautiful. Wow. They make a lot of fine cutlery, knives and forks. Yeah, that factory always makes fine clothes. Fine clothes. Yeah, fine clothes. How cool is that? How cool is that? Yeah. So yeah, good. So fine, as in like, yeah, I'm fine. Yeah, I'm fine. Yeah, I'm feeling fine. And elegant, fine clothes, fine food, fine drinks, fine, what's this? Fine books and beyond. How cool is that? So, fine. Now, can you use fine in a sentence? Yeah. Comment below and like the video and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Just search for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too. Search for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.